System check. Humanity has been lagging, corrupt files, broken code. The world's running on outdated software, and the glitches are everywhere. But heaven is dropping an update. A patch for every flaw. Friday, sacrifice. The Lamb steps in, rewriting the code. One line of love rewrites a world full of sin. The system is being restored. It is finished. Not a crash, but a clean reset. The old errors wiped away. Saturday, silence. The waiting room of destiny. Stillness before the reboot. Heaven's cursor blinks. No sound, but the process is running. The update is downloading. Change is on the way. Sunday, upgrade. Grave emptied. System restored, hope restored, life version eternity. The new build is live. Behold, I make all things new. The upgrade is complete, the old system is gone, the new is here. No more bugs, all bugs fixed, forever. The patch is permanent. This Easter, don't just celebrate the weekend. Install the update. Experience the upgrade, Jesus. Heaven's version upgrade, version 3.0. Welcome to new life.